The New Mexico State Ethics Committee settled a lawsuit with a political nonprofit. Now new campaign finance reports show where exactly the group's funds came from and where they're going.
News 13's Bella Olage is live in the Newsplex to give us the numbers the group withheld in the months-long legal battle.
The financial report for the New Mexico project showed contributions totaling just over $140,000. Over $100,000 of those funds went to, quote, miscellaneous and campaign paraphernalia.
All Latino Democrats and New Mexicans to join us in shaping a better New Mexico.
Radio ads like this one are funded by the New Mexico Project, or TNMP, a group that seeks to amplify Latino and moderate voices across New Mexico. That group is run by Jeff Apodaca, who previously ran for governor as a Democrat. They recently registered as a political committee and disclosed its funding after a months-long legal battle.
They're a 501c4 engaged in issue advocacy, and they may have spent money on campaigns, but they didn't exceed the independent expenditure limits such that they would have to register and disclose donors. So we think the judge has the law wrong.
In May, the New Mexico State Ethics Commission sued the group and its president for not disclosing finances while endorsing candidates on its website. They fought the notion that they were a political committee, but in the end, the judge ruled in favor of the state, and a settlement forced TNMP to file financial reports, register as a political committee, and pay thousands of dollars in fines. The unveiled numbers showed the group's contributions totaling over $140,000, with the top funder being an oil and gas company, Chevron, which gave $50,000. The question then becomes, where did that money go? Nearly $104,000 went to miscellaneous and campaign paraphernalia, while the rest went to things like fundraising events and office expenses. According to the settlement, when the New Mexico project is in full compliance, the state's Ethics Commission will dismiss all claims against the group, meaning they won't be charged for this again. Back to you.
All right, Bella, thank you. The commission said in a statement that the, quote, settlement reinforces the importance of transparency in New Mexico's political process.